Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make green leaf powder. First, gather your chosen leaves, ensuring they are fresh and vibrant. Next, clean them meticulously to remove any impurities. The drying process is crucial for preserving nutrients and preventing spoilage, so make sure they are completely dry. Finally, grind the brittle leaves into a fine powder, ready for storage and use. This simple process allows you to create a versatile and nutritious ingredient at home. To begin, select the right kind of leaves. Opt for edible, non-toxic varieties such as moringa, spinach, or kale, ensuring they are free from pesticides. Carefully inspect each leaf for any blemishes, discoloration, or insect damage, discarding anything that looks unhealthy. Wash the leaves thoroughly under cool, running water to remove all dirt and debris. Afterwards, gently pat them dry with a clean towel or allow them to air dry briefly. Drying is a critical step for quality powder. You can air dry leaves by spreading them on a clean screen in a well-ventilated room, away from direct sunlight, which can degrade nutrients. Alternatively, use a food dehydrator set to a low temperature, typically around 100 degrees Fahrenheit, for several hours. The goal is for the leaves to become completely brittle and crumbly, indicating all moisture has been removed. This prevents mold and preserves their beneficial compounds. Once your leaves are thoroughly dry and brittle, it's time to grind them. Use a high-speed blender, coffee grinder, or spice grinder to achieve a very fine, consistent powder. You might want to sift the powder through a fine mesh strainer to remove any larger, unground pieces, which can then be reground. Store your finished green leaf powder in an airtight container, like a glass jar, in a cool, dark place. When stored correctly, it can maintain its potency for several months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.